Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as intriguing as it is essential for anyone looking to enhance their romantic relationships. If you've ever wondered about the magic behind emotional attraction and how to ignite that spark of desire in a man's heart, you have come to the right place. In this video, we're going to show 12 emotional trigger phrases that ignite desire in a man. Make sure to watch this video to the end, you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Number 1. I admire your strength. When you admire a man's strength, you're recognizing his physical abilities and his mental toughness. This creates attraction for a few reasons. Like anyone else, men also want to feel valued and appreciated. Praising his strength affirms that his qualities are noticed and appreciated, creating positive feelings towards you. Throughout history, men were often seen as protectors and providers. Admiring his strength taps into these instincts, making him feel he can fulfill his traditional role. When you say this, look into his eyes, smile warmly, and maybe touch him gently if it's suitable. This makes the moment more personal. Notice how he reacts. A real smile or a change in posture shows he's feeling connected. Make sure you truly mean it and use it when he's being supportive, handling a tough situation, or even opening up emotionally. Number 2. I feel safe with you. Expressing that you feel secure in his presence taps into his protective instincts and cultivates a sense of safety. This feeling of security involves a profound level of trust and vulnerability. When you communicate that you feel safe around him, you're opening up emotionally and signifying that you place your trust in him for your well-being. This emotional connection has the potential to fortify the bond between both of you. Additionally, you're indirectly conveying that he holds significance in your life, someone you depend on. This can uplift his self-esteem and kindle a sensation of being wanted. It's possible that he might be inclined to spend more time with you, drawn by the positive emotions that your companionship evokes. This knowledge can instill in him a sense of achievement and contentment. It's worth remembering that feeling safe forms a cornerstone of intimacy. The effectiveness of this expression hinges on its sincerity and the context in which it's conveyed. So make the communication genuinely. By sharing your sentiment of safety, you're extending an invitation to him to participate in a more profound and intimate connection, potentially sparking desire and emotional attraction. Number 3. You make me feel understood. Showing that he has a deep understanding of you can create a strong emotional bond and make him feel valued. Feeling understood is a fundamental human need. When you say that he makes you feel understood, you're validating his ability to connect with you on a deeper level. This validation can make him feel accomplished and appreciated. Understanding someone requires empathy and emotional intelligence. By acknowledging his capacity to understand you, you're highlighting his emotional depth and his ability to be attuned to your feelings. This can lead to a stronger emotional bond between you two. Feeling understood is a unique experience. It often comes from a deep connection. By expressing that he achieves this with you, you're showing the depth of your relationship, which can foster a sense of specialness and desire. Hearing that he makes you feel understood reinforces his behavior. He's more likely to continue being attentive and empathetic because he knows it brings about positive feelings and emotional closeness. Feeling understood often requires sharing vulnerabilities and personal feelings. By sharing this sentiment with him, you're inviting him into a space of intimacy and vulnerability, which can deepen the emotional connection and spark desire as well. Number 4. I believe in you. Expressing your confidence in his abilities and potential can boost his self-assurance and motivate him to strive for his goals. When you let him know that you believe in him, you're confirming his capabilities and potential, which can make him feel more skilled and appealing. Your belief acts as a positive reinforcement, validating his efforts and successes, and pushing him to pursue his objectives with more excitement. This positive reinforcement creates a connection between your encouragement and his emotional well-being, sparking attraction. He's drawn to you because of the positive emotions and sense of importance that your belief triggers. When he senses your sincere support, he's more likely to feel motivated and inspired, leading to a stronger sense of connection. Number 5. You are the only one who can. Highlighting his unique role in your life or his special skills can make him feel irreplaceable and desired. His feeling of irreplaceability has the power to ignite a strong desire and significantly fortify the emotional bonds between you. It suggests that his skills and qualities distinctly set him apart from others. This sense of standing out exclusively can evoke a remarkable feeling of being specially chosen, nurturing a magnetic pull of emotional attraction. Imagine the impact of realizing that he possesses the exclusive ability to accomplish something significant. This realization can act as a powerful driving force, inspiring him to rise above and showcase his capabilities. The knowledge that he stands alone in this capacity can kindle a burning desire to prove himself, thus contributing to an enhanced sense of attraction. In essence, by underscoring his distinctive attributes or unique role, you're providing him with a sense of value and importance that is beyond replacement. This sentiment can trigger emotions of longing and heightened connection, leading to a strengthened emotional closeness. This can inspire a deep-seated desire and passion that stems from feeling genuinely cherished and exceptional in your eyes. The uniqueness and exclusivity you highlight have the potential to amplify emotional bonds, fostering a profound attraction that transcends the ordinary. Number 6. I love your sense of humor. Enjoying his sense of humor not only indicates that you have a good time together, but it also creates positive connections between you. He'll link being with you to laughter and happiness, encouraging him to want more moments with you. These joyful experiences strengthen your bond and make him feel great when he's around you. Laughter is known to ease stress and bring relaxation. When he realizes that his humor brings you happiness, he'll connect being in your company with comfort and ease. Knowing he can make you laugh boosts his self-esteem, making him feel attractive and valued. When you show love for his sense of humor, it signals that you genuinely like interacting with him. This deepens your emotional connection, as you're expressing enjoyment in spending time together. Authentic communication is crucial in conveying your admiration for his humor, as real conversations lay the groundwork for a strong emotional attraction. Number 7. You inspire me to be a better person. Positive feelings tend to be reciprocated. If they know they inspire you, they are more likely to feel positively about your relationship and be more attracted to you in return. Demonstrating that he positively impacts on your personal growth can create a deep emotional connection. People often desire relationships where they can positively impact someone's life. By stating that they inspire you, you're signaling that they fulfill this desire, making them more drawn to you. Hearing that they inspire you signifies their significance in your life. This sense of importance can kindle positive feelings and make them feel valued and desired. Knowing that their actions or qualities have a positive impact on you can make them feel like they contribute meaningfully to your life. This realization can create an emotional bond and enhance attraction. Sharing goals and aspirations enhances emotional connections. Expressing that they inspire you to be better indicates a shared vision, making the relationship more appealing. Number 8. I'm grateful for your support. Expressing gratitude for someone's support can trigger their desire and emotional attraction for several reasons. Recognizing his support and encouragement reinforces his importance in your life and strengthens the emotional bond. When you express gratitude for their support, you're validating their efforts and contribution to your life. Gratitude often leads to a desire to reciprocate. When they feel that their support is acknowledged and valued, they are more likely to want to continue supporting you and nurturing the relationship. Knowing that they contribute positively to your life can generate feelings of happiness and satisfaction, increasing their desire to continue doing so. Knowing that they are an important source of support in your life boosts their self-worth. Feeling that they make a difference and play a meaningful role can heighten their sense of attractiveness and value. Number 9. I'm excited to share my dreams with you. When you express enthusiasm about sharing your dreams, you're signaling a profound value in his presence and perspective. This appreciation triggers a cascade of positive brain responses, releasing neurotransmitters like dopamine that foster happiness and deeper connections. Psychologically, your eagerness aligns with the principle of self-disclosure, building trust and intimacy. This process triggers oxytocin, the bonding hormone, enhancing attachment and closeness. Additionally, your invitation taps into humans' inherent desire for belonging, fulfilling our need for connection. These psychological layers form a unique tapestry that intensifies emotional closeness. In essence, by inviting them into your inner world, you're not only communicating aspirations, but also engaging in a psychological dance that strengthens emotional bonds and ignites a yearning for deeper connection. Number 10. You have a way of making the ordinary feel extraordinary. Imagine how you'd feel if someone told you the same thing. Feel amazing, right? This phrase shows that they have a special talent for making everyday moments really special. When they feel appreciated for being unique, it creates happiness and strengthens their connection with you. It's like adding a touch of wonder and magic. This feeling of enchantment can increase their emotional attraction to you, as they link you with these good feelings. It's like creating moments that stick in their memory. Linking you to these memorable experiences can make them want to be with you more. Psychologically, feeling valued triggers the brain's reward system, releasing feel-good chemicals that strengthen emotional bonds. The sense of wonder relates to the psychology of novelty. Our brains are wired to seek out new and exciting experiences. Also, associating positive emotions with you is rooted in the psychology of emotional conditioning. Repeated positive associations enhance attraction. Lastly, memory and emotion are closely linked in psychology, and creating memorable moments deepens the connection. So, by appreciating their unique way of making life special, you're creating positive associations, sparking wonder, and fostering a deeper emotional attraction. Number 11. Your kindness warms my heart. Acknowledging his kindness and compassion appeals to his emotional side and deepens the connection. Kindness is often associated with positive qualities like empathy, compassion, and thoughtfulness. Expressing that his kindness warms your heart reinforces these positive traits, making him more desirable in your eyes. Sharing feelings of warmth and affection signifies emotional vulnerability and intimacy. This openness can deepen the emotional bond between you, creating a sense of closeness and connection. Expressing how his kindness affects you shows that you're both attuned to each other's emotions. This shared caring and understanding can lead to increased emotional attraction. Kindness generates positive feelings. When he sees how his kindness brightens your mood, he's likely to continue, creating positive interactions. It also builds comfort and trust. Saying his kindness affects you positively deepens trust and emotional closeness. Number 12. I value your opinion. This phrase taps into a man's sense of significance, expertise, and the desire to contribute positively to your life. When you express that you value his opinion, you're not just acknowledging his intellect. You're also showing that his thoughts and insights matter to you. This can trigger desire and emotional attraction for several reasons. Wants to feel important and influential in their relationships. When you tell a man that you value his opinion, you're making him feel like a vital part of your life. This phrase fosters an intellectual connection which reflects that you see him as someone whose thoughts contribute to your decision-making and life choices. Showing that you value his opinions demonstrates respect for his knowledge and judgment. This can create a positive cycle where he respects you in return. Acknowledging his input signals a willingness to make decisions together. This collaborative approach enhances emotional intimacy. Knowing that his opinions have a positive impact on you can boost his self-confidence and make him feel more secure in your relationship. Keep in mind to make an effort to engage in conversations where his opinions truly matter, and don't hesitate to express your gratitude for his insights.